Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And we're here again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We're very happy to be here again to share the latest happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, I would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for continuously supporting us. In return, we will do our very best to give and share with you the most relevant information and signals to properly interpret the market using the chart or technical analysis. So let's get started with the PSE index. The market gapped down and opened at 5,801 and closed at 5,828. That gave us a more bullish candle on a Monday. On Tuesday, the market opened higher at 5,849 and closed at 5,867. That gave us a less bullish green candle. Come Wednesday, the market opened higher again at 5,891 but dropped on closing at 5,818 as profit-taking persists. That gave us a red, less bearish candle. On Thursday, the market opened a bit higher at 5,833 and closed almost the same level at 5,835. That gave us a green, least bullish inverted doji candle. And finally, on a Friday, the market opened lower at 5,790 and closed even lower at 5,759. That gave us a red, less bearish candle on the week closing. Overall, the market went on a gap down as a weak opener due to the same negative sentiment-driven market and continued to move sideways, hovering just right above the previous support area at 5,700. And now let us proceed to our individual stocks, where the first on the line is Ayala Land. Without any significant news report this week, Ayala Land stock paused at 19.5 level and moved sideways after getting battered by the continuous drop it encountered for the last 2 weeks. The pause appears to reflect as an attention given by new investors due to a bargain price at this point compared to its valuation. With the continuing negative sentiment, we will just keep on monitoring this stock until it reaches bottom and start to move sideways. Now moving forward to our next stock, where we have BDO. Without any significant news report this week, BDO stock appears to move like a mirror image of the market as it gapped down on the opening of the week and moved sideways for the rest of the week immediately after staying above its previous support area at 127 level. Meanwhile, we should stay at the sideline while keeping an eye on this stock on the coming weeks until it finally confirms its shift of sentiment. Now jumping to our next stock, where we have Converge. Even with the positive financial and operational result for third quarter of this year from the news report this week, the company's price continued to move on a sideways direction, while moving average and MACD appears to continue its shift in trajectory going to positive formation. This is a possible better time to decide, starting to make our position as it slowly moves above its moving averages and making a higher low formation for almost 2 months now while in its consolidation phase. Now moving forward to our next stock, where we have JFC. Going further without any significant news report, the stock, unable to hold its ground, had broken down the 211 and 200 support level. The sudden drop is also due to the negative sentiment currently felt in the market due to continuing issue in the government corruption. Obviously, the moving averages and MACD shift on sentiment is not going to happen soon. We will continue monitoring this stock until we finally confirm a pause from its drop and has entered the consolidation phase. Now moving forward to our banking sector where we have Metrobank. In spite of the strong third quarter financial report performance for this year based on the news report this week, the stock price has dropped below its current support level at 68. Though it has dropped below 68, the price has paused at 66 and currently hovering on that level at least this week. As the signals are currently in its negative form, we will just have to continue to monitor and avoid entering new positions at this point in time until we see a confirmed shift on sentiment. Now moving forward to our next stock where we have JGS. The stock continued its movement even without any significant news report up until this week. JG Summit Holdings encountered a selling pressure this week but managed to stay above the current support level at 22. As the signal shows shift to negative direction, we will have to abstain and wait for some time until we see a clear positive sentiment coming in. Now going back to our property sector where we have SMPH. Despite of the consistent share buyback executed for the entire week, the stock was unable to escape the impact of negative sentiment currently driven by the market. Has dropped below the 21.8 support level. It is currently at 20.7 level, which is almost near its pandemic level drop at 19.9. Since this is also a reflection of the entire market sentiment, we just have to wait and stay on the sideline until we see a positive signal and consolidation phase. Now moving forward to another stock where we have MegaWorld. The follow-through share buyback program of the company and the positive third quarter financial performance for the year as reported this week appears to be sustaining its position to stay above the 1.97 support level. This move evidently shown to be solid as it successfully pushed the price back to its support level temporarily. However, the next move remains to be seen. This can only be confirmed on the coming weeks if this will become a strong support and start moving sideways. We just have to keep monitoring its next move next week. And last but not the least, let us now proceed to our focus on stock where we are featuring Ayala Corporation. Continuing further without any follow-through positive news report this week. Ayala Corporation stock did not escape from the negative sentiment of the market that made its price go down below the 450 support level. The drop is apparently caused by the continuing negative sentiment driven by the market due to continuing government corruption issue and the consecutive disaster the country is experiencing right now. As the price keeps falling and breaking historical lows, a chance of getting the attention of institutional and long-term investors remains a valid factor, though not an immediate option right now. Even though the price gets cheaper and cheaper as it comes near the historical support during pandemic at the range between 350 to 450 level. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss in our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with the domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com. Or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you all on my next video. Ciao!